Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Braidednikki. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how I got these goddess cornrows and how you can achieve this look too. You'll need a pack of expression free tress deep twist and a parting comb. Grab your comb and begin by parting your hair in the middle from the front to back to map out the parting for this style. Clip away one side and begin to part the other side horizontally, starting from the top to the ear. For your first outline, you want the part to start at the edge of your nose. I'm quickly flat twisting the hair to keep it out of the way and get a clear view of my foundation. The third outline will start where your brow ends. Parting in a straight line takes time, so if it takes you a few tries to get it straight, just know that it takes me a few times too. Do the same exact thing to the other side. Watch me. In case you're not a seasoned beginner, I would recommend using your comb to measure from the arch of your brow and to measure from the end of the brow and also to measure from the nose. For the last step of your outline, you want to connect the lines that you've created going all the way down to the back. Grab your Shine and Jam gel and start to unravel the outlines that you've made. You want to smother the Shine and Jam gel on each section. Guys, my camera died when I was starting that braid, so we're gonna start off in the middle. Before I start each braid, I always mold my edges and then I go ahead and make a small part to start my cornrow. If you've already watched my how to cornrow video for this series, then you'll know how I started this cornrow. Look closely. After 4 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go ahead and add in my extension at that part. I add the extension underneath my index finger. Then I go ahead again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where I add in another small piece of hair extensions right underneath my index finger. For this part, you want to feel with your fingers the density of the braid. If the strands are starting to feel thinner than how you started, then you want to add another piece. So over here I'm adding another piece because it started to get thinner. As you go down with your braid, you want to keep on paying attention to the density of the hair that you're holding on to. If it's starting to feel thinner than your hair texture, then you want to go ahead and add in more extensions. By the time you get to the back, you shouldn't have to put in more than 2 strands of hair. The rest of this video will be sped up. By the middle of the video, I'll show you how I put in the curly pieces. For now, enjoy the video and follow along. Happy braiding!